Good morning, all of you. In last class, we have derived an expression for torque acting on electric dipole which is placed in a uniform electric field. Now, let us try to write the vector form of torque acting on the electric dipole. Okay, this is the expression. Okay, this is the expression which gives the expression for torque which is acting on electric dipole which is placed in uniform electric field. Okay, the derivation already we have derived. Now we need to write torque acting on electric dipole in vector form. Okay, so this expression is nothing but it is the vector form of torque acting on electric dipole which is placed in uniform electric field. So we know that torque is vector, so that's why I will use this arrow mark to represent this tau as vector, and P, it is P is nothing but electric dipole moment which is also vector, and E electric field, so electric field is also vector quantity. That's why torque tau which is acting on electric dipole is in the vector form. We can write like this: vector P cross vector E. So that means that torque acting on electric dipole is vector quantity, and that vector quantity is cross product of two vectors. What are those vectors? The electric dipole moment as well as electric field vectors. Cross product of these two vectors will give us another vector which is torque which is acting on electric dipole. So this is vector form of torque acting on electric dipole. Now let us try to discuss different cases when will be the torque acting on the electric dipole is maximum and when it will be minimum. Okay, so we have this basic formula for electric dipole, torque acting on electric dipole which is placed in an uniform electric field. Tau is equal to P into E sin theta. Okay, in this expression if you put theta equal to 0, so when theta is equal to 0, then sin theta is equal to 0, which means that in sin theta, let us put theta equal to 0, then sin 0 becomes 0, then this expression becomes tau equal to 0 because sin 0 is 0. So tau is 0 when angle between electric dipole moment P as well as E is 0. So that is why in that case when theta is 0 and the dipole experiences very minimum torque which is 0. And in case 2, if theta is equal to 90 degree, then sin 90 becomes 1. Okay, if theta is 90, sin 90 becomes 1, and that expression becomes tau equal to P into E. So this is the maximum torque. When an electric dipole experiences maximum torque is when the angle between electric dipole moment P and electric field is 90 degree at that time, and the electric dipole experiences maximum torque which is tau equal to P into E. Now let us have a look at this note. Unstable equilibrium condition. What is this unstable equilibrium condition? So let us consider that condition as case 3. In case 1 we have put theta equal to 0. In case 2 we have put theta equal to 90 degree. In third case let us put theta equal to 180 degree. If theta is 180 degree, that means that angle between this the electric dipole moment P and this electric field is 180 degree, then sin 180 is equal to 0. Sin 180 is also equal to 0. In this case also tau becomes 0. You can observe here in case 1 when theta is equal to 0, then also the tau is equal to 0. In case 3 if theta equal to 180, then also the tau is equal to 0, which means minimum torque. When angle between electric dipole moment as well as electric field is 0, then also the minimum torque will be experienced by dipole, and when the angle is 180 degree, then also the dipole experiences minimum torque. But the difference is when the angle is 180 degree, P and E are in opposite direction. P and E means dipole moment P as well as electric field E are in opposite direction. Torque is 0. In this case also torque will be 0, but in this case the electric dipole is in unstable equilibrium. In case 1 it will be in stable equilibrium, but in case 3 it will be in unstable equilibrium. Now let us have a discussion on electric field lines. What are those electric field lines and why we will use and how to use and how to represent electric field in terms of electric field lines. These electric field lines are the imaginary lines. Okay, remember, these electric field lines are the imaginary lines or smooth curves along which unit positive charges move or tends to move. Okay, electric field lines are nothing but these are the imaginary lines which we will use to represent electric field around any given charge. So very simple definition or simple understanding about electric field lines are nothing but these are imaginary lines which we will use to represent electric field around any given charge. So that is the electric field line, that is the concept of electric field lines. Now let us try to sketch electric field lines for different cases or different arrangement of charges. Okay, now we will try to sketch electric field lines for positive point charge, negative point charge, pair of two equal and positive point charges and pair of equal positive point charges. Okay, so let us try to write electric field lines for a positive point charge, because this is the positive point charge, isolated positive point charge. Okay, so if this is a positive point charge, then the electric field lines will always diverge from this charge. Remember, electric field lines will always diverge from the positive charge. You can observe in this image. And in second case, for negative point charge, electric field lines will always go into the charges. You can observe here, will always go into the charges. Okay, these are imaginary lines which we have developed in order to understand the electric field concept. Okay, if there is a positive point charge, electric field lines are diverged from the center of a charge. If the charge is negative, then electric field lines will go into the center of the charge. You can observe here. And in third case, a pair of equal and opposite charges. Means we have one positive charge beside another negative charge. Okay, we have pair of positive and negative charges. In this case, how we will use electric field lines to represent these charges or to represent the electric field here. We have positive charge, we have negative charge. We know that field lines or electric field lines will always start from positive charge and ends to negative charge. Okay, you can observe here, started from positive, ends at negative, and we also have known that field lines will always diverge into the negative charge. These lines are going into negative charges and these lines are going out of positive charges. This is the basic information. Okay, so this field line is for pair of equal and opposite charges, and this is for the electric field line representation for a pair of equal positive charges. When we have two positive charges one beside the another, then how the representation of field lines looks like is in this fashion. Okay, positive and positive charges are one beside the another. So this is how we will use electric field lines to represent electric field of two positive charges which are kept one beside the other. Now let us try to mention some different properties of electric field lines. Okay, different properties of electric field lines we should remember. Okay, very important properties which we will discuss here. Okay, due to an isolated point charge, the field lines start from charges and ends at infinity. Remember this point. For any isolated positive charge, the field lines start from the charge, okay, or center of the charge. Field lines start from the charge and ends at infinity. Remember, electric field lines will always diverge out of the positive charge. That is what the meaning of this sentence. Due to an isolated point charge, the field lines start from the positive charge and ends at infinity. Now, due to an isolated negative charge, field lines start from infinity and ends on the charge. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಆ ಚಾರ್ಜಿಂದ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಡೈವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ. ಅದೇ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇನ್ಫಿನಿಟಿಯಿಂದ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಅವು ಚಾರ್ಜ್ಗೆ ಇನ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸು. ನಾವು ಡ್ಯೂ ಟು ಎ ಪೇರ್ ಆಫ್ these two properties are over. And third property, due to a pair of equal and opposite charges, which means that when we have positive and negative charges one beside another, then electric field lines start from positive charge. Remember, when we have one positive charge beside another positive charge, then electric field lines start from positive charge. Okay, electric field lines start from positive charge and ends at negative charge. So this is how. Okay, this is. Now, next property. No two field lines intersect each other. ಯಾವುದೇ ಎರಡು ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಒಂದನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಂಟರ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ ಟು ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್. ದ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, ದೇ ಮೀಟ್ ದಿ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ of charged conductor at right angles. Okay, they meet the surface of charged conductor at right angles. Okay, so which means that electric field lines will always diverge out of the surface in a right angle, or it will always go into the surface, any given surface, in always right angle only. For example, if you consider, okay, this as any surface, and these electric field lines will always enter and will always leave this surface in right angle only. So that is what the concept. Okay, ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಗಿವನ್ ಸರ್ಫೇಸ್ಗೆ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಪರ್ಪೆಂಡಿಕ್ಯುಲರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿ, they do not form closed loops. Okay, they do not form closed loops. So that means that these electric field lines will never make a closed loops. Okay, it will always be a straight line. So ಈ ಥರ electric field lines ಈ ಥರ closed loop ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಮಾಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ. It will always be a straight line like this. They do not pass through a conductor. Remember, electric field lines do not pass through a conductor. Now next, they can pass through a non-conductor or dielectric medium. Now, number of field lines passing normally through unit area depends on strength of electric field. Okay, number of field lines passing normally through unit area depends on the strength of the electric field. ಸೊ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಲೈನ್ಸು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಂತ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲೆಕ್ಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇದ್ದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಫೀಲ್ಡ್